So ECEDHA is a very interesting conference in the fact that you have a lot of corporate and higher level academic relations, and so you can really start moving the needle because the people that actually make the decisions within electrical and computer engineering are here and willing to listen to your ideas and really make some movement that will affect the classroom and research state of their departments. So it's not terribly surprising that electrical and computer engineering have kind of lost robotics to mechanical engineering. But electrical and computer engineering is still where roboticists go to learn control theory, signal processing, and circuit design. And there's a real opportunity to bring robotics back into the curriculum, given that you have the ability to network and find out what works for different colleges, what works for different departments around the world, and from the corporate point of view, what they're looking for when they're trying to hire someone in robotics for their company, what you can do to prep the next generation of roboticists. So the Robotarium is a unique research platform at Georgia Tech where we're trying to democratize access to robotic hardware around the world. So we have users from every continent except for Antarctica, and this idea of remote access hardware can extend beyond robotics and give students without the resources necessary to test their ideas and researchers without the resources necessary to test their algorithms and theories, the ability to really see if their ideas translate to the real world. And beyond robotics, I think electrical and computer engineering can start to develop hardware systems where you can remotely test ideas in different application spaces like circuitry or networking or communications. So Georgia Tech has approached robotics from a very, I think, an ideal point of view where robotics does not sit nicely in any specific department. It's not a mechanical engineering discipline, it's not a strictly electrical engineering discipline, it's not a strictly computer science discipline. And so what Georgia Tech has done is allowed students to really move between these departments to find the expertise in each individual department. And beyond that, it's also started to expand beyond the standard engineering disciplines. So working with psychologists, because if robots are leaving the cells and starting to come into human contact more often, we need to start understanding how do humans react to these robots. How should we make the robots act so that they feel more comfortable, that humans feel more comfortable around them, interacting with them, having them drive them around places. So what is the human aspect of this? And that's just one example of Georgia Tech's kind of diverse approach towards robotics.